I'm OneDolo, Lafayette, Louisiana. Born and raised since 1995. And I got something I want to say. You know what I'm saying? Dude, I ain't nervous or nothing like that. I ain't the camera, you know. But anyway, Lafayette, for 20 to 30 years, we seen things remain the same. Right or wrong. Right or wrong. But it's time for a change. Guarantee you it's time for a change. And it been time. And I have a vision to make it happen. I promise. I promise. If y'all just follow what I'm saying, just listen to me. I ain't even gonna say follow me because I don't never want nobody to follow what nobody say because people could lead you wrong. You know what I mean? But I promise y'all, more than anything, if we come together and handle this for the future, I put my life on the line. I put my life on the line for everybody. I put my life on the line for everybody in the city. And that's on my heart. If we accomplish this goal that I wanna do, if we accomplish this goal that I wanna do for everybody, and ultimately it's mostly for the kids, because they the future. But if we can accomplish this goal, I put my life on it. I put my face on it, put my name on it. I'll make sure it happen until we make it happen, man. Until we make it happen, bro. I promise you that. But anyway, it ain't just about me. It's about us and our kids and every generation after. I'm willing to dedicate the rest of my life to fixing what needs to be fixed so our children don't have to face the struggles we endured. But I can't do it alone. I really can't. It's going to take more than just me. If y'all really want to change, it's going to take more than just me to do it. I promise y'all that. But we could do it. We could do it. We really could do it. I got faith in it. I believe in it. I need your support. Supporting this vision costs $0. It costs no money. None. And that's, man, we're going to get to that. It costs no money. It costs $0. But the reward of that, reward can mean many things to whoever, you know what I mean? Reward to me is success. That's reward, it's success. That's all it is. That's what it means to me, success. Honestly. And it's going to transform the community. Together. I mean together. I'm going to say it one more time. Together. I promise we can create the Lafayette we all deserve. I'm 29. I went to school with a lot of people I love still till today. And honestly, if I went to school with you, I seen your face and we spoke to each other, I still got love for you. And it's a lot of people I went to school with. I look up to them. You heard me? I look up to them. Why? Why do I look up to these people? Because of everything I got to explain. And I just need y'all to listen. That's all I want y'all to do is just listen. Just listen. Together we can create the Lafayette we deserve. If y'all want to change. If y'all don't want to change, I promise you, nobody gotta watch these videos, nobody gotta subscribe. Lafayette, Louisiana. Nobody. If y'all don't want to change, I promise you, you ain't gotta watch these videos. But if you got kids, man, what they got to say about you? What? Because I love mine. I got 3 of them. I got 3 of them. And guess what? I'm going to be totally honest. I can't lie about nothing. I can't lie about nothing. Because I ain't had a chance I deserve. I can't lie about nothing. I got 2 kids. I got 3 kids altogether. But I got 2 that I really see. I got 2 that I really see. And I got 1 I don't. I love my son. I love my son. I love all my kids, man. I just said I'd die for all of y'all. I've been looking up a lot of things, I've been looking up a whole lot of things. And it's 2,000 people throughout the whole Lafayette area and, the surrounding areas. But it's about 1,000 in 100,000, and it's 200,000. 100,000 inside and 200,000 on the outskirts. Man, there ain't no way we can't do what I want to do. There's no way. Man, I ain't gonna lie, man, I can't. Let me tell you something. If you 29, and that's most of, if not everybody I went to school with and graduated with, I love y'all once again with all my heart. Every color, every gender. I love y'all, man. And that's from the bottom of my heart, Because, honestly, I just woke up one day. That was probably 4 months ago, and, something just hit me. But I've been, I've been changing for about 2 years now. But everybody I went to school with, the reason why I'm saying I love y'all is because, y'all helping me be able to even say what I'm saying right now. I'm not gonna lie, y'all helping me say everything that I'm saying right now. And I was talking to my kids yesterday, and I kept crying. I kept crying, bro. Because they the future, though. They the future. And I got the glass on right now because I ain't trying to cry. You know what I'm saying? I just said, I don't care who said, they can say anything negative, but I don't want anybody to say I cried on camera, man. But I really feel everything I'm saying, bro. It's from the bottom of my heart, bro. I went and talked to somebody yesterday. I ain't even going to say no name in there. I hope he feel me. I hope he felt me. I'm waiting on your call too, bro. I'm waiting on your call, bro. But if you're 29 years old in 2025, and I'm telling y'all, this issue that I'm going to speak about throughout this whole thing, is issues that have been going on for 20 and 30 years. If you're 29 and it's 2025, guess what? These issues started around the time when we was born. Guess what that means? Every single thing that's going on in the world today, and I'm going to say the world because it really got something to do with the world, but everything that's been going on in Lafayette, Louisiana specifically. Man, it's been going on our whole life, dog. Our whole life. So guess what? Guess what that means? We ain't never had a chance. We ain't never had a chance. And right before this video, but right before I started recording this video, guess what else I thought about? Because like I said, 4 months ago, it hit me. And ever since then, I've been writing things down, you know, like if it don't matter to you, you don't have to watch. But I'm doing this for you. Man, I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for our kids. I'm doing this for the future, bro. I'm doing this for the future. I need everybody to hear Lafayette, Louisiana story. At the end of the day, there ain't no individuals. I want them to hear Lafayette, Louisiana story. You heard me? Lafayette, Louisiana story. Nothing else. And we love the surrounding areas, man. We love the surrounding areas. My baby mama from New Iberia, so you know I was in the beat often. I know a lot of people in Opelousas. You get what I'm saying? I got a cousin right now. I love him to death. He's staying in Lake Charles right now. It's a little further, but man, listen. If we come together, bro, we can make it happen. What I thought right before this video is this right here, though. If this been going on my whole entire life, 20, 30 years, guess what? It started before that. So that's the reason for everything. Listen to me, man. Listen to me, bro. Guess what that means? 29 years old. I never had a chance. And if you 29 or younger or older, guess what that means? You never had a chance either. So why we just can't get together and make it happen for the next gen? That'll be beyond me. I did a whole lot of things in my life, you know, like I'm proud of, and some that I'm not, but mostly proud of. And I was never really, you know, guided in the right direction. Because my mom, my dad, they didn't have the proper nothing. So guess what? I didn't either. So what that probably mean? Our grandparents didn't either. So it's a possibility. We ain't never had a chance since we was born. Man. And that's, bro. Man, that hurt more than ever. It hurt me at least. And like I said, I ain't perfect. But guarantee one thing. You can change. I feel it every day. And I'm more than happy about that, man. I'm excited. I'm excited to be explaining this to y'all. And this is just the start. This is just the start of me giving y'all what I'm giving y'all right now. What I got in store for y'all next is what's going to change everything. But I need everybody in the Lafayette area, man. I need everybody in the Lafayette area. Not one person, not two persons, not three, not four, not five. I just told y'all it's 100,000. It's a little more than it's 100 and something thousand inside of Lafayette. Period. And it's about 200 on the outskirts. If we can't get together, and make it happen,